test.
February is Valentine's Day, of course, but it's also Heart Month.
And our sponsor partners at Mainline Health have some ideas on how you can show your heart some love.
When it comes to matters of the heart, knowing where you stand is too important to be ignored.
Heart disease is the #1 killer of men and women in the United States, and it's important to know your risk factors and address them. And Heart Month is the perfect time to recommit to that goal.
Cardiologist Kaitlyn Ibrahim says it's as good a time as any to choose the things to eat that help your heart to beat.
By limiting things like processed sugars, decreasing the amount of unhealthy fats, and incorporating more fruits and vegetables, we can help to prevent the risk factors that ultimately lead to heart disease.
Registered dietitian McCorkle has a recipe that fits the bill, starting with cooked farro.
We get those extra nutrients and tons of fiber, which is very important for heart health.
Add your favorite leafy greens and bell peppers. Looks like red for Heart Month.
It could be yellow, it could be orange. We're just looking to get those variety of nutrients, the fiber, and all of those wonderful vitamins and minerals.
A can of beans with no salt added.
We drained and rinsed them because by doing that, we are able to reduce the sodium amount by up to 40%.
Dr. Ibrahim says this salad hits the target for heart health.
When we think about a heart-healthy diet, we often think about the Mediterranean diet. Fresh fruits and vegetables, lean protein, healthy oils. And the recipe today embodies all of those factors.
Scallions and sun-dried tomatoes add flavor and color.
These might be the one thing you don't already have in your pantry, but they're not hard to find. These were packed in olive oil, again, a healthy fat.
Keep it light with lemon juice, honey and Dijon, and a little kick.
We have some crushed red pepper flakes. It's a really well-balanced dish that is going to give us all of that good nutrition that we're looking for.
Just as we take prescriptions to help our overall health, we also eat multiple times a day. And so what we put into our body has a major impact on our overall health.
We posted that recipe on our website, 6abc.com/FYI.
Put your camera phone up to that QR